Here also, instead of the human resource management chapter, which again is taken from PMI reference book, you can refer to the human resource audios which we have put with respect to PMI RMP. So what is the issue log? I think all of us are aware. Issue log is to log on the issues, the disagreements, conflicts, etc. So basically this is a useful tool that lets you to capture and resolve issues, so you are handling them in a proactive way. This is different from a risk, where risk is a more advanced tool and advanced way of strategically planning your project and proactive management. This is just this issue log is different, where you put the issues and these issues could be converted to risk. So there's a difference between an issue and a risk. So this may basically, so issue log is also used to control communications, because issue log is a medium where you communicate the issues in your project. Today you have certain conflicts within your team members, core members, but tomorrow this could be risky to your project. So this is an example. Then comes the work performance data. These are the raw data identified during the activities of project work, and they can help you measure the efficiency and effectiveness of the communication against plan metrics. So work performance data is something very, very important, that whenever you have the quality audits and metrics and all these things, you always have a plan data, and then your plan is measured against the actual data, which is this is what a work performance data. You can also use the data in root cause analysis to evaluate if poor communication could be the cause of a problem, or to evaluate a variance to determine if a change is necessary. For example, if I have, this could be also a problem that I have not communicated to the stakeholders properly. That's why my deliveries or to the team members. So that's why I don't connect with the team members on a regular basis. So the monitoring is lacking, and that's why the team members are not delivering the milestone, etc. So there could be n number of problems related to communication itself. So you can very well control it by looking into the work performance data. Then comes the organizational process assets. You need to refer to your organization's available or required procedures, reporting formats, standards, tools, and security policies related to communication to make sure communications are meeting organizational expectations. Any organization, large organization, they have their set of templates, they have their set of procedures to be followed while you are doing senior management meeting, while you are doing a client meeting, even if there is going to be a business presentation, you have your own template, which is prescribed template, or you will have some already filled up template which you can use. So any organization which follows certain processes, Six Sigma or whatever CMI, they have these organizational process asserts. So that also you use to control communication, because when there is a standardized processes, we should always, as a project manager, we should enforce this rules in the team, that they should use the organizational process asserts. Because in audits, when there is going to be quality audits, so as a project manager, you have to be serious about the quality processes, then only your team will be seriously taking it. And in a way, these organizational consistency helps you to overcome, you need not to sit, it basically reduce your it helps in your time management, and also it helps to reduce the inconsistency. So controlling communication will result in work performance information, possible change requests, and possible updates to the project management plan, right? And for example, the control process might reveal that the organization process asserts used to create the communication management plan need adjustments or may need to be replaced. So accordingly, you convey it to your other team